Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to make a recycle logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, we have to draw three line. Uh, I think there is no uh, border size, so I'm holding shift and clicking on the color to apply outline. Now I am duplicated this line. So now I have three line. Now select only these two and group it. After the grouping, select these and use the alignment tool to align it. You can enable the alignment and distribute tool from here. Now align these. We should select last selected. Sorry, don't worry. Now select all these and again group it. You can press Ctrl plus G to group it. Now go to the transform tool and rotate it on 120 degree. Duplicate it and rotate it on the same value and again rotate it. Now select all these and first we have to draw a rectangle. Now we have to change the center point of the rectangle. Here is the center point of the rectangle. Now duplicate this one and rotate it on 120 degree again. Duplicate it and again rotate it. You can press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Now select only these three and apply some transparency for these object so we can see our object like this. So we need some modification. We can render a rectangle from using this technique. Apply it. Now keep the rectangle on these object. First we have to rotate it. Now after the rotation, change the color and hold down shift key and click on none color to remove the outline. Now convert it to path. Resize it like this. Now select only these two and center it. Okay. I'll give you some adjustment. So select only these. Draw a rectangle. And convert it to path. Now go to transform tool and first we have to change the center point of this object. Now select this again and click on different. Now duplicate this one and click on difference. Now select again this one and click on break apart. Now we have to delete this unwanted object. Delete it. So now again we have to draw rectangle to cut this part. Okay, I think we should again render a rectangle. Go to the render option and render a rectangle. Keep this rectangle like this. Change the color of the rectangle and hold on shift key and click on none color and edit this object using node edit tool. So there is some problem, so we have to modify it using node edit tool. I have enabled snapping option, so we can do it is correct way. Now select these and go to click on difference. Now break apart these and delete these. So this time we have object like this. Okay, now we have to round the corner of this object using this technique. Select only this node and round the corner. Okay. Now duplicate this one and select with this. Select with this and go to path and click on difference. Now we have to change the color of this object. Select this one and break apart and delete the unwanted object. Now select this one or this one. I select this one and duplicate it. We have to round the corner of this object, so we have to round the corner of this object. So now select this one and rotate it holding Control key and keep our object like this. Okay, we have to create another object outside of the object. Now select this one and change the color and go to object and click on raise to top. Now select these two and click on difference. I think we should delete this one, we don't need it. Now modify this object. First we have to convert it to path. Now add an extra node by node edit tool. Add another node. And modify it like this. Now select this one and this one and go to path and click on difference. Now select this one and this one, click on difference. Now select only this one and remove the transparency. Send it to bottom. Click on union. Now select these two and group it. After the grouping, change the center point of this object. Enable the snapping option. Now change the center point of this object. Now duplicate it and rotate it on 120 degree again. Duplicate it and rotate it. After the rotation, delete this object. So guys, you have created the basic logo of recycle symbol, and you can fill by any color according to your need. I am using some gradient color for my logo. Select only these and apply the gradient, linear gradient. Go to the option. Edit the gradient. Remove the transparency. I think this is okay now. Now select this one and this one, apply the same gradient. Okay. Now apply the color on this object. Select this one and apply the gradient. Select this node and change the color. I think this is okay. Now select this one, apply the gradient. Now change the gradient color, select this one and remove the transparency, or you can click on new color. Now select this node and change the color. Now select this one, fill the color using same technique, change the color. Change the color of this object. So guys, we have completed our logo, and I know you can make better than me. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for your support. Thank you.